Last month, I spoke to a guy, a software background, no business experience, who built an AI automation bot using N8N and Make.com. It took him one weekend. The bot monitors a client's customer support inbox, categorizes incoming emails, drafts responses based on a knowledge base, and flags anything unusual for human review. The client pays him $800 a month. He checks it for maybe 30 minutes a week. Today, I'm showing you how that works and how you can build something similar. Welcome to the AI Wealth Show. I'm M. Shezi, engineer, entrepreneur, and author of AI Wealth. 5 systems, 1 engineer, financial freedom with AI. This is episode 8, and we're talking about stream 5. Animations 1, a automation income. This is the most underutilized income stream in the entire system, and for technical professionals, it might be the most natural. Let me set the scene. Small and medium businesses are desperate for automation right now. They know AI tools exist. They've heard about Make.com and Zapier and N8N. They've read the articles, but they don't have the technical capacity to implement these tools themselves. They need someone who can understand their workflow, identify the automation opportunities, build the integration, and maintain it. That person doesn't need to be a software engineer. They need to understand workflow logic and be comfortable with tools like N8N or Make.com. If you are a technically minded professional, and most listeners of this show are, this is your lane. Let me introduce you to Tendai. Tendai is a process engineer at a manufacturing company. His job is literally about optimizing workflows. He decided to take that skill set, workflow analysis, process optimization, and apply it to small business owners. His first client was a recruitment firm that was spending 12 hours a week on manual data entry, copying candidate information from emails into the CRM, sending follow-up emails to candidates, scheduling interview slots. Tendai built an N8N workflow that automated all 3 steps. It pulls candidate information from incoming emails, populates the CRM automatically, sends personalized follow-up emails, and syncs calendar slots for interviews. He charged the client a setup fee of $1,500 and a monthly maintenance retainer of $600. He's now got 4 clients, monthly recurring from automation alone, $2,400. Teaching point number 1, think in workflows, not code. The biggest mental shift for people getting into AI automation is realizing that you're not writing software, you're connecting existing tools. N8N and Make.com are visual workflow builders. You drag and drop steps, connect them together, and tell the system what to do at each step. The skill you need is not programming, it's workflow thinking, identifying what goes in, what comes out, and what steps happen in between. If you can draw a flowchart, you can build an automation. Teaching point number 2, the highest value automations solve pain, not just inefficiency. There's a difference between an automation that saves someone 30 minutes a week and an automation that removes a bottleneck costing them thousands of dollars a month. The 30-minute save is nice. The bottleneck removal is what people pay for. When you're prospecting for automation clients, you're looking for the workflows where errors happen, where things fall through the cracks, where manual intervention creates delays. Those are your $500 to $2,000 a month maintenance retainers. Teaching point number 3, productise the automation with a retainer. One-off project fees are fine for cash flow, but the real value of this stream is monthly recurring income. Once you've built an automation for a client, you charge a monthly retainer to monitor it, update it when their tools change, and improve it over time. The client doesn't need to think about it. You've become part of their operational infrastructure. This is how Tendai went from a $1,500 one-off to $2,400 a month in recurring income. The initial build is the door, the retainer is the business. For the AI tool spotlight, here's your step-by-step introduction to N8N. Step 1, go to n8n.io and create a free account. You can self-host or use their cloud version. Start with cloud. Step 2, watch their 10-minute introduction video. It's genuinely excellent and will orient you to the interface. Step 3, find one small repetitive task in your own life and automate it first. Not for a client, for yourself. Maybe it's every time you receive an email with a specific subject, save the attachment to a Google Drive folder. That's a 3-node workflow in NATN. Build that. Step 4, once you've done it for yourself, you understand the logic. Now think about which of your professional contacts has a similar repetitive task. That's your first pitch, your Stream Builder action for this week. Sign up for a free N8N account. Complete the onboarding. Build one automation for yourself, any automation. It does not need to be useful, it needs to be done, because building it teaches you the logic, and the logic is transferable to every client you will ever serve. AI Wealth is on Amazon. Search AI Wealth M. Shazi. The full AI automation chapter walks you through how to price, package, and scale this stream into a real recurring income business. Next week on the AI Wealth Show, we bring all 5 streams together. Episode 9 is called Building the Flywheel. Olha cara para que for 5 systems running at once. I'm going to show you what the master dashboard looks like and how you track all 5 streams from one place. That's a Notion-powered episode you don't want to miss. I am M. Shazi. This is the AI Wealth Show. 5 systems, 1 engineer, financial freedom with AI. See you next Tuesday.